Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the landscape mode on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, let's swipe down from the top right. You're looking for the portrait orientation lock or the landscape lock. If you don't see it, you're going to tap on that little plus icon at the top left and then tap on add a control at the bottom. Now from here, all we need to do is search for the option. We can search for lock and there is orientation lock. So tap on that and it will add it in. Now, normally the portrait orientation lock is turned off, which means if I hop out of here and open up, say, a website, let's say youtube.com, you can see if I orient it like this and tilt it to me, it will go into landscape mode. So essentially on here, I can switch between landscape mode or portrait mode just by going like that. Now, I can lock that just by swiping down from the top right and then tapping on this little lock icon. Now it says portrait orientation lock is on. If I go back into Safari or any other app that supports this and I turn it like that, you can see it doesn't do anything. Essentially, it doesn't change the orientation as long as I have the lock on. Again, if you wanted to turn it off, just swipe down from the top right and then toggle that button. And now that lock is off. You can go between portrait and landscape mode. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.